To solve the linear equation of the form y prime plus pxy equals q of x, we always multiply both sides by the integrating factor e to the integral of p of x dx and integrate both sides. The left side is guaranteed to be the derivative of I of x times y. Solving the initial value problem. This is the first linear order differential equation given the initial condition when x equals 1, y equals 2. Observe that this is the first order linear differential equation where p of x is 1 minus 1 over x and q of x is x squared. So the integrating factor is I of x equals e to the integral of p of x dx, but p of x is 1 minus 1 over x. This is e to the x minus ln of x, which we can simplify into e to the x times x to the negative 1, which is e to the x over x. We then multiply the integrating factor to both sides of the linear equation in this standard form. And we guarantee that the left-hand side is the derivative of the product of I of x, which is the integrating factors, and y. We can verify this by implicit differentiation. The derivative of e to the x over x times y is e to the x over x times y prime, plus the derivative of e to the x over x times y, but the derivative of e to the x over x, we use the quotient rule. And so we end up with e to the x over x times y prime plus e to the x factor out times x minus 1 over x squared times y. Notice that if we were to factor out e to the x over x, we end up with 1 minus 1 over x in the second term. And so e to the x over x times y must be the integral of x times e to the x dx. But we can integrate the right hand side by integration by parts, and so e to the x over x times y equals the antiderivative of x times e to the x is xex minus e to the x plus c, and then we isolate y to get x squared minus x plus cx over e to the x. But the initial condition is when x equals 1, y equals 2. And so plugged in x equals 1, y equals 2, we solve for c equals 2e. So the particular solution is y equals x squared minus x plus 2 times e times x over e to the x. With the first order linear differential equation, we always find the integrating factors first, which is I of x, and we multiply I of x to the left hand side and the right hand side of the differential equation in the standard form. It is guaranteed that this left hand side is going to be the derivative of the product of I of x times y.